Hello and welcome back. This is another interesting episode of Insert tab in Microsoft Word. Not forgetting, in our previous video, we talked about how to insert different features like how to insert the cover page, how to insert the smart art, and so on and so forth. So in today's segment, we are going to be showing you how to insert chart, screenshot, headers, word art, drop cap, symbols, comments, and so on and so forth. All I request from you is to stay with me from the beginning up to the end. So let's dive in. We'd find that we want even to insert a chart. So you will see that chart has different templates. It has column, line, pie chart, bar chart, area, YX, scatter, stock, surface, radar, tree map, sunburst, histogram, box, and whisker, waterfall, combo. So I want to create a pie chart. So I'll simply, again, a pie chart also has different formats. There is one which is simple and another one of 3D pie, pie of pie, bar of pie, and donut. So I want to go with one of pie. And here I'm going to type in my data. It's amount and sales. So I have this as my data. From there I'm going to leave it like that. This is our chart or pie chart. Now I'm moving to another thing which Insert tab can do. Insert tab can also screenshot. They are telling us that take a screenshot. Quickly add a snapshot of any windows that open on your desktop to your document. So you will click here and you screen clip. You come, let's say you want to use this in your Word document. You're seeing how I've done it. Then we move to our next thing, which is inserting a hyperlink. But before we move to inserting a hyperlink, you can also insert information from Wikipedia or information from business marketing websites which are having different products that they are selling when you click on store. You can also insert a video from online if you know its URL. You can also insert a hyperlink. So with hyperlink, we are going to place our hyperlink in the existing document. So I want my link to display the word Info Lab Academy. Info Lab Academy, and its website will be infolabacademy.com. The then I press O. Okay, so you're seeing that for the text that is displayed, it's showing InfoLab Academy, but when I move my cursor across the text, it displays infolabacademy.com. So this is our URL. In simple terms, it's our link. Also, I might be wanting to insert a comment. Let's say I want to insert a comment here. I will press my cursor after the end of the text and I click on insert, then click on comment. Here I might say, well formatted, let's say, and this will be my text comment. It will be my comment regarding this paragraph. That's how you can insert comments or remarks in Word. So you're seeing how insert tab is very much interesting and user friendly if you know how to use it. So now this takes us to something you normally come across, something which is called header and footer. For headers and footers, this is how we insert them. If I want to use a header, I will click on insert, then I move to header. And you're seeing that header has different formats. There is one which is blank, another one which is blank 3 columns, Austin, banded, and so on and so forth. And you can even edit the header or remove the header after inserting it. So I will go with the one of blank. So info lab academy. Then so you're seeing that on every top of my page, you're seeing the word Info Lab Academy. So this is acting as my header. Once I want to edit anything, I can simply double click here, then I add what I want to add. Let's say I want to put my name and the year 2026. So with footer, I will again go back to insert, then insert footer, and it's also having different formats on how to do it. I will go with banded. So here I might, let's say, want to insert page number as my footer. May say at the bottom of the page. So here I will put, it will automatically insert the page, the number of that current page. That's how inserting a page number works. So if I need to insert another thing in the footer, let's say I want to insert a copyright. Copyright, and that will be in the in the symbol. I will move straight to insert symbol, then copy, right, and I say copyright, reserved. There are also other people who insert copyright by simply using shortcut. You can open your brackets, then you type in letter C, then again you close the brackets. You see, as simple as that. So there is something which I want to show you, and it's going to wrap up our session of today. I want us to create we are going to create a word art. So we are going to press our cursor where we intend to insert our word art, then we click on insert tab, word art. So you're seeing the different word arts that we have there. So if I want this, I will now come here and type in my word, which I want to use as, to come here and type in my word, info lab academy tutorial trainings. So after there, now I'm going to insert what we call a drop cap. For those of you who don't know a drop cap, it helps your document or text to have a nice visualization. It can be sometimes at the beginning of the paragraph or in between. So I'll select the first letter A, then I click on insert tab, then drop cap, and they're telling us that drop cap creates a large capital letter at the beginning of a paragraph. So there is none. If you want to remove it, you will press none. There is also dropped, and you're seeing what is happening on the screen. There is also what we call in margin, and here when you want to adjust some options. So I will choose A, which is dropped, and you're seeing what has happened. I think you normally find this in newspapers. Newspapers, magazines, they are the ones who normally use those drop caps to design their texts. And that's a complete overview of the Insert tab in Microsoft Word. Today, we've learned how to insert tables, pictures, shapes, charts, hyperlinks, page numbers, headers and footers, text boxes, symbols, and much more. These tools can help you to transform a simple document into a professional and visually appealing one. Remember, mastering the Insert tab is one of the fastest ways to improve your Microsoft Word skills and increase your productivity. So if you found this video quite helpful to you, simply hit the like button, comment below with your favorite Insert tab feature, subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. Share this video with friends to ensure that it reaches a bigger audience. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.